100 years ago, flight was a dream. Rockets, unmanned systems, miracles of imagination. Now, it's just a Tuesday. At JR Automation, we transform what's next into what's now. We integrate the intelligent automation and digital technologies that make aerospace's boldest ideas take flight. Materials lighter and stronger than ever before. Propulsion systems cleaner and more efficient. And now, autonomous flight. The future is evolving, and the factory floor it's built on must evolve with it. From advanced precision automation and vision inspection to machine tending systems that ensure consistency and scalability, our solutions empower aerospace teams to achieve more. Solutions that prove themselves every cut, every joint, every flight. With pre-automation consulting, we help manufacturers define the best path forward. We are building intelligent, sustainable manufacturing systems that think ahead and identifying service problems before they become delays. At JR Automation, a Hitachi Group company, we are ITAR, ISO and JCP certified, bringing global expertise, connected intelligence and advanced automation across the most demanding industries, each advancing what's possible in aviation manufacturing. Because every partnership leads to somewhere extraordinary. Aerospace is how the world connects, innovates and moves forward. At JR Automation, we're empowering the future of flight.